This week in crypto, analysts say Bitcoin could be eyeing a 150k price target, and major institutional flows and network upgrades are rewriting the headlines. Here's everything you need from September 15-21, 2025. Leading on-chain analysts say Bitcoin's network value to transaction (NVT) indicator just flashed signals consistent with previous bull runs, and that opens a path toward 120k, 150k in coming months if momentum holds. The NVT Golden Cross historically preceded major upside, and current metrics still leave room for expansion rather than exhaustion. Institutional demand is not a rumor aggregate. Bitcoin inflows from 2024 into 2025 have beaten a 15-year record, signaling sustained buying pressure from large holders and funds. That structural demand is one reason analysts are bullish on a new leg higher. Ethereum is progressing with the Fusaka upgrade. Developers provided a timeline and the technical scope this week. Fusaka focuses on finalization steps, performance improvements, and a staged rollout expected to reduce congestion and improve fee predictability for payments and dApps. The Ethereum ecosystem hit another payments milestone this week, roughly 27 million transactions recorded across the payments layer, a fresh sign that real-world payment use cases continue to scale on-chain. Big product news. Trust Wallet announced a link to xStocks that brings tokenized equities to its 200 million users, potentially turning mobile crypto wallets into mainstream gateways for regulated tokenized stocks and a huge addressable audience. Asia continues to move fast. Thailand's regulator data shows XRP was the country's top-performing asset in August, posting huge year-on-year gains, hundreds of %, and topping traditional assets. Meanwhile, a Kazakhstan-based issuer launched an offshore Chinese Yuan stablecoin aimed at cross-border settlement for Belt Road business. On the meme coin front, a top trader restated a $1 Dogecoin target, a provocative call that continues to fuel retail sentiment and social media chatter, even as macro realities make that a long shot for many analysts. Macro matters. Fed Chair Jerome Powell acknowledged a split among FOMC members about additional rate cuts in 2025, uncertainty that feeds both risk-on and risk-off moves in crypto markets. And investor Ray Dalio argued that U.S. debt dynamics could create scenarios where Bitcoin benefits as a non-government store of value. Bottom line, structural flows and on-chain signals are supporting bullish narratives for Bitcoin. Ethereum's upgrades and record payments use are strengthening on-chain utility. Tokenized equities and regional stablecoins point to broader adoption. Short-term volatility remains likely. Watch inflows, NVT signals, and the Fusaka rollout timetable. All the links to these full stories are in the description, and you'll find each source there. If you want fast weekly crypto briefings explained plainly, hit subscribe and the bell. Crypto Inspector is out. All these news items were taken from Cointelegraph, Crypto.news, and U.Today. You can find links in the description.